Hey everyone, I'm Kathleen. If you're new here, I upload quick and easy hairstyles every single Friday. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any cool hairstyles. Without further ado, let's head into the tutorial. For a headband roll, you're obviously going to need a headband that is fully connected all the way around. I'm using a Lilla Rose headband. I'll put the link in the description below just in case anyone would like one for themselves, because these ones are my favorite because not only are they super comfortable, but they're also adjustable, which is great if you want a looser headband or a tighter headband or have a different size head than somebody else. So you're going to take your headband and place it right over top of your head, right onto your hairline, making sure it's nice and comfortable and secure. Next, you're going to section off a small piece of hair on the side of your head and right next to your hairline. Once you've sectioned it off, hold that piece of hair in one hand, and with the other hand, take your pointer finger and slip it underneath the headband and grab the small piece of hair and pull it over and through the headband. So we just continue this process all the way down the headband until we reach the back of the neck. And as you can guess, we repeat the exact same thing on the other side of the head. You take the same small piece of hair, give it a little twist, take your other hand, put your pointer finger underneath the headband, grab it from over top and pull it underneath. And each time, before you pull it over, you're going to grab just a little bit of hair from your rest of the head. Taking the hair over top, pulling it underneath, just continuing and continuing until you reach the back of your neck. Making sure you're adding more and more hair to that strand each time before you pull it over the headband. This seemed a little complicated to me when I first learned this hairstyle, but just after a little practice, I definitely got the hairstyle down, and now I can do it without a mirror, which is so cool because now I can do this hairstyle anywhere. So if this seems a little bit complicated to you now, don't worry, just give it some time and practice, and you'll definitely get it down as well. So now that we have finally reached the back of the neck, you just adjust the roll as you like, pulling it out if you want it larger, or tucking it in if there's some hairs coming out. Now we move on to the second side. We're doing the exact same thing we did on the other side, taking a strand of hair right next to your hairline, giving it a slight twist, and putting your other hand's fingers right under the headband, grabbing the strand of hair from over top and then pulling it underneath, and then continuing along the headband the exact same way, adding more hair to the strand as you go along. Again, once you reach the back of the neck, adjust the roll as you please, tucking it in, pulling it out, until you got the look you're going for. Now that we have completed the sides of the roll, we're just left with this ponytail. So what we're going to do with it is create a hole right above the ponytail, stick our fingers through, and grab the ponytail from over top, and then pull it through the roll. And you're just gonna continue doing this, taking the ponytail, pulling it over the roll and through the hole until you've run out of hair. If you have short hair, you may not even need to do this at all, or just once or twice. So just continue doing this however many times until you're now just left with your vintage roll. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you'll give this hairstyle a try. It was definitely a lot easier than I thought it was going to be, and it only took a headband to do. Again, the link is in the description if you want to check out this headband that I used and others like it. I will be back next week with another hair tutorial, and I really hope to see you there as well. So thank you for watching, and bye!